What is up, guys? This is FNH here, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to fix a slow fan. Okay, so by slow fan I mean that it doesn't really work that well. So you guys can see that I have this on the first speed and it's pretty loud, and there's not really much air coming out from the front. Obviously you can't see that, but there's not really much air coming out from front unless you're sitting right in front of the fan. And even number two is not really that good. It's pretty loud, but only number three is when it actually starts giving air, but it's really loud. Okay, so let me just turn that off. All right, so basically I just want to show you guys how to, you know, fix it. All right, so first what you want to do is make sure the fan is unplugged, right? And next you want to take off the front from the fan. Okay, so yours might have a screw on the side or somewhere on the bottom. I don't mind does have it. So hopefully I can just remove it with my hand. The thing is, I'm recording with one hand, so it's kind of difficult. Alright, I got it. Alright, so now I got it off. Let's take it off. Put that to the side. And now we want to take off the blade. Okay, so there is the screw. So technically you just have to loosen it. You don't really need to do much to it. So I'm going to pause the video and take it off because I think I need two hands. Alright, so I took off the blade and I have the fan lying down on the floor and I have some oil. Okay, so this is just regular 3-in-1 oil. It's a lubricant. You can even use grease, right? But in my opinion, oil works the best. And you just want to kind of put some here, put some in there, right? You can see it. You want to spin it around a little. Your finger, spin it the other way. Just make sure because you want to really get the oil deep inside, because whatever is making the fan slow down is inside, and it's just basically I guess dried up, right? So I want to plug in the fan again, and I'm going to turn it on. So this basically lubricates, and while it's spinning I'll put a little oil on the side also. Since the blades aren't on, it's not going to be really that dangerous. Alright, I have it plugged in, and in the back, let's take that off so I can easily access it. So you can see it, hear it. Let me put some inside. You want to put it to the side a little. Make sure the oil goes on that side. And you want to move it a little on this side. Basically, you want the oil to get pretty much everywhere inside, all around this the spinning thing in the middle. So I hear some noise here. I'll put some oil. You want to be careful because it does splat. And you can even put oil over here on the sides, over here. Basically, most of the time the issue is it's not lubricated enough, right? So you just have to put oil on all sides and have it spread around. So I'm going to increase the speed. So that's 3, that's 2, that's 1. you can even hear it. 3 is a lot quieter than 2 or 1. So yeah, let's turn that off now, and I will screw in everything back and we'll see whether it made a change or not. Alright guys, so I have attached it back, put the propeller back in, turned it on, and now, it is a lot quieter, and I do feel air from, a distance. I don't have to be directly in front anymore, right? This is on speed 1, right? And speed 2, it is, it's a lot better. It has improved a lot. I can feel air actually coming out at 1 and 2. And 3 now it's a lot more, because the thing is the propeller is working a lot better, right? The motor inside, since it got oiled up, it is working a lot better and a lot smoother. It doesn't need a lot of energy to run anymore. So you should just do this every once in a while, after every summer or before every summer begins, or every few months. Machines like these do need oil. All right, so that's one thing. And sometimes it even gets really bad where you can hear the motor trying to start, but it doesn't really start. If you give the propellers a little push, then it'll start very slowly. That's just an extreme case of it being really, dried out. So yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any more questions or any specific problems with your fan, right? Let me know. Maybe I can help you guys out. Yeah. Other than that, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.